Hey everyone, it's me Katrina with Just My 3 Cents, and I just came back from the Goodwill. Came across this Lego set. It's a 100314. It's the dried flower centerpiece. As you see, I only paid $4.99. This thing right now sells for, or is available for, almost $50, and it looks like it's still intact. So wish me luck and hope all the pieces are there. All right, so let me go and get that put together. All right, so I am officially done. Yeah, it's a cute little kind of Thanksgiving-y cornucopia-ish looking. Like, I could definitely see putting this out during the fall time. I actually like it. Again, I bought it for $5 at Goodwill. All the pieces were here. I'm the first one to open it. Whoever threw this out, thank you. This was really fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. My name's Katrina, and this is Just My 3 Cents. Bye.